to another Raspberry Productions video. Today I'm going to be showing you my mvagusta F3 exhaust note with the standard exhaust and my racing SC Project slip-on exhaust. What I'll try and do is I'll do it at different rev intervals and chop backwards and forwards between the different exhausts, and hopefully you should be able to see the difference and how they sound. Also, if you look at my other videos, I've actually done a video on how to change the exhaust as well, so please check them out. There you go, that's my video on the sound difference between the SC Project Racing exhaust and the standard exhaust. I've also made a video on how to fit the exhaust and swap them over. Please check out my other videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.